Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss which programming language you should learn in 2021. To learn any new language completely depends on your career goals. Therefore, if you are looking your career in front end web development, then you have three languages to choose. You can learn JavaScript, or you can learn TypeScript, or you can learn C Sharp. So here I will recommend you to go with JavaScript or TypeScript, because in C Sharp you have to use Blazor, which is the new platform right now, and you won't find a lot of documentation or community help during the development phase. But if you are learning JavaScript for front end development, then you have lot of options like React, Angular, or Vue.js. If you're looking your career in backend web development, then you can go with JavaScript learning or TypeScript learning. You can also learn C Sharp, Java, Python, Go, and Ruby. But here again you have to choose only one, because you will not learn many languages simultaneously. So therefore here you have to choose very wisely, because it's the matter of your career. So if you are learning front end as well as back end, then you must need to choose among the three languages: JavaScript, TypeScript, and C Sharp. So here I will recommend you to go with JavaScript, because if you are going to use Node as a backend web development, then you can use React, Angular, or Vue.js as a front-end web development. And here you will not have to learn any different language other than JavaScript or TypeScript. But if you're learning JavaScript, then I will also recommend you to learn TypeScript, because it is the superset of JavaScript. That means you can use all the features of JavaScript with some extended features of TypeScript over JavaScript. But you are any Microsoft fan or developer, or you are already learning any other language like C or C++, then I will recommend here to go with C Sharp for backend web development, because you will find it easier or more feature rich language for backend web development. If you are learning mobile application development, then again here you have many options, like you can use JavaScript, TypeScript, C Sharp, Java, and Swift. But here are something different in terms of Java and Swift. Here again, if you are going to see your career in native application development, then you must need to go either with Swift or Java, because using Java you can create Android application only, and using Swift you can create iOS applications only. But you are looking to create Android as well as iOS application simultaneously using only one single language, then you have to choose among three languages: JavaScript, TypeScript and C#. In JavaScript you can use React Native. In the same way you can also use React Native with TypeScript. And for C# you have to use Xamarin. If you are looking your career in game development, then you have only two options here to choose. You can either go with C# or C++. If you are also going to create any browser based games, then you can go with JavaScript or TypeScript. But for the full-fledged game development, you must need to go with either C# or C++. If you are looking your career in desktop application development, then you have many options here as well. You can use C#, Java, C++, Python and Go language. But the already running or very well managed applications are built nowadays using C# or Java. So I will recommend here to go either with C# or Java. If you're looking your career in system programming like embedded systems, then you have here again many options, but here the best option is the C language. C language is the best known for system programming. You can also use C++, that is also known the best, but not like C. Okay, you can also use Java and C#, but lot of people don't develop any programs using Java or C# for system programming. If you are looking your career in machine learning, then the best language for that in nowadays is Python, because most of the community uses Python for machine learning. You can also go with C++ and C# with .NET framework for machine learning as well. So here the main thing is, like, if you're looking your career in like full stack developer for front end web application, for back end web application, as well as for mobile application development, then you can go with JavaScript, TypeScript and C#. And nowadays most of developers are seeking their career in application development and backend development, then they must need to go with or choose any one language between these three languages. I think you got the idea that which language is best for your career. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.